Emotional marketing is the process of targeting your audience at the emotional level. Like 99% of all decisions you make in daily life, you base on your unconscious mind. So that means during the day you get millions of incentives where you have to react on, and you don't have the time to rationalize everything. So that's the process of unconscious mind takes over, and once you made the decision, you are at that point you will start thinking: is my decision, is that okay? Is it the right decision? So first things is the unconscious mind, is emotions. Second thing is the ratio or the rational mind that comes into the play.
Just like you. Proef Jills, sparkling cider.
I've been really trying, baby. You can't touch this.
That will be a responsibility. Campaigns that are directed at the sense of responsibility of a consumer or of a person are much more stronger. Campaigns that tell you what you should do are strong. Perfect example is commercials where they promote cars and they show children in the commercial, where of course parents feel responsible for safety of their children, and that's the emotion of safety where these campaigns are directed on.
You can't touch this.
You really have to look at your target audience. What do they want? What's most important in branding when marketing these days is that your brand is more than a product or a service at its own. It's a whole experience. You have to make it bigger than it is. And a perfect example is the BlackBerry Torch commercial, where you see different role models. For instance, Diplo, the DJ. They create a kind of lifestyle, or they show you the kind of lifestyle which the target audience would appeal to. The functional aspects of the phone are not really considered, maybe only for a few seconds, but it's more the lifestyle that once you have the telephone or once you have that item, complete your lifestyle.
I can't believe that people are actually paying me to travel across the world and build new sounds with different artists. The BlackBerry Torch makes it simple because I'm always staying in touch with everybody, whether it's using Twitter applications or Facebook. And a lot of these guys I have a closer relationship now because I'm constantly on BBM talking to them.
It's lightning and then it drops right here.
Pop.
I love what I do, and the BlackBerry Torch helps me do it.